Farfignugan. Very nice example. Timeless. Hey, welcome back to DeLoney V8 Motorsports. A quick setup for this one. It is a Wednesday night. Took this old Camaro out to PIR, Portland International Raceway. They had the Hot Summer Nights Cruising. It was the premiere tonight, and they did a great job with that event. This was something that the Beaches restaurant actually had running for years out at PIR, and a new group took it over, and they're doing a fantastic job with it. Just had a great time. The variety and the quantity of cars at the car show was incredible. And so had a great time there. Also went to the drags. So the drag races run on Wednesday nights there. Hayden Amborn, watched him run. Matt Keelman as well, and some others. So watch to the end to see those guys run and into the sunset, and doing a great job with the bracket racing. So pro and super pro there. Both those guys did a fantastic job. Want to say hi to Joe and Todd. Shout out to Joe and Todd. I met these guys. You'll see them in the video. They've watched the channel for a while, and appreciate them recognizing me somehow. Anyway, and chatting with them, it was a good time. So watch to the end, enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Have a good week. Take care. Yep, that's 6 barrels, 6 cylinders in a slammed bitchin' VW bus.
We're not getting very far,
That reminds me of another Chevelle. What do you guys think of this?
It's awesome, man. Oh, crazy. GD on the way. It's truly something.
All right, could not walk by this. 66, red on red, stick shift, just like the Loney family Mustang from the 70s. Am I wrong? If you're a brother or a sister, you might remember this from the Loney family. Rivercrest, 1974. really, really nice VW Bugs. Beautiful lineup. Got the thing, bus. It's like one Baja off-road bug. I like this white one. It's kind of a Herbie look to it. Who doesn't like a red 55 Chevy? And then add small block, blown, dual fours. It's got the gasser tank. It's got the original lettering, stick shift. Halabrand style, 10 spokes, Steelies, white walls. That thing's wicked. Survivor, 8,000 RPM tack, baby.
Yeah, even if it's not something you like necessarily, just stick with it. Just stick with it anyways.
I missed this one earlier. I had to come back and get it. Look at this pickup. Farfignugan. Very nice example. Clearly restored. Very nice truck. All right, another one for the family. Ford Country Sedan wagon with a 390. These things had opposing seats in the back. Yep, way before airbags. I think there was probably seat belts for everybody, but yep, family truckster, roof rack and all. Tom and Jamie, this one's for you. Yep, just a 351, but 69 Mach 1. Spoiler, louvers, automatic. Okay.
Well, thank you very much.
What are you guys gonna say?
Well, I'll tell you what, we love Deloney Motorsports. Portland, Oregon, man. Woo! We're here.
Yay!
Opening season 2025.
Nice.
Day for this, isn't it?
Opening day.
Yeah,
We made
premiere.
it.
What's
There's
it called now? It used to be beaches, now it's
hot summer nights.
hot summer nights.
I mean, it is the Northwest. They don't get really hot.
yeah.
I mean, maybe 2 or 3 days.
Yep.
But hey,
at least we
got something. Huh?
That's right. Sunny
Hey.
today.
Yeah.
Got lucky.
Northwest is bad at the bone. Don't forget that.
Absolutely.
How's that Chevy with the stick shift car coming, the
It's-
yellow and white one?
It's sitting there. It's on probation right now.
I know
Yeah.
you were having trouble figuring out you guys were getting it off the line.
Yep.
I was watching those.
Keep adjusting the clutch. Keep spinning the
Yeah.
tire. So, gonna dig in a little further. We'll see what happens. But thanks for stopping by, you guys.
Merry-
Timeless. Why would you be videoing a Pinto wagon? Well, it's a Pinto wagon, so it's nostalgic. Stick shift, fuel injected, turbocharged. Because stick turbo. And look at that big front mount too. Cool Chevy wagon right next to a Ferrari. Hayden got him. Got it. All right, June 4th, 2025, Portland International Raceway, the Hot Summer Nights premiere. It was a good one. Heck of a turnout. Little rain threat earlier in the day, but it all worked out. Beautiful day, great event, good food, drinks. You can't beat it. Get out here, folks. If you're in the area, come on out. There's even drag racing going on here every Wednesday night over the summer. Loving it.